Where are we going? The hills have eyes?
Yeah.
All right, so here we are. We're out in the middle of the desert in Arizona. Can't tell you where, it's a secret spot. But if you know Dan, my buddy Dan, from Dan's Auto, where I've been to his junkyard a million times, you'll probably know right about where we're at. Anyway, these two characters in front of us right now are gonna be so much fun to go picking with. We're on this old dirt road out here in the middle of, I don't even know where we're at. Trailer houses. There's definitely some cousins marrying cousins out here, I'll tell you that. All right, so I pull up to this guy Robbie's house, and when I see old equipment broke down, stuff scattered everywhere, old trailers, motorcycles, this is the place to be. What's happening? Robbie, what's up, brother?
Yeah.
How are you, man?
I'm here.
What are you doing over here shoving 12 valves in Fords?
Grew up around here with his family, with Robbie's family and everything like that, and his brother before he passed away. And then I left away for a while to Phoenix, and then I don't know, just coming back here. This is what we do now.
I know I could walk around and build a car off the shit you got laying on the ground right now.
Everybody thinks it's garbage, but not real garbage to me. It's when you need it and you don't got it.
Those are kind of hard to drive around out here in the desert, aren't they? So digging around out here at Robbie's yard, I can obviously see that there is a lot of 12 valve Cummins stuff. They've got 12 valves shoved into 90s Ford trucks, which are a conversion. They didn't come with a Cummins, they came with a Power Stroke. But these guys are putting 12 valves in these Ford trucks, and they got blocks laying everywhere, pumps, turbos, you name it, it's everywhere.
He said, hey, so you want to go get a bunch of the Cummins truck? And he said, yes, okay.
Yeah. My buddy Charlie, which knew me from the old days when I was an iron worker, called me up. Haven't seen this guy in 30 years. And he wanted me to come out, check out all this old stuff, and it's kind of a little gold mine.
He died over there.
Who, your brother?
Yeah.
Where?
Right where
Why? Would he roll?
Yeah, he rolled that mid-truck right.
In the middle of this conversation, Robbie tells me that his brother passed away in a rollover doing 90 miles an hour on that dirt road that you've seen us come in on, rolled the truck, and he passed away. What was he, just hauling ass?
Yeah, he's doing like 90 down this back road.
Holy.
Didn't make it. Didn't make it over home.
Wow.
Yeah, he did stuff we never thought about doing. He's as crazy as like you used to be.
You're on my social media, man.
Oh, no.
Come on, clean up a little bit. You guys look good.
Let's go.
All right, what are we doing out here?
We are getting the Dodge Cummins truck, and you're getting Dodge Cummins motor parts, or whatever you can find.
There we go. That's exactly what we're doing. Charlie, I can see you out on a date and that with your girlfriend, cruising. Wyoming, what year? 70. It's almost, I'm almost as old as this plate. So when I first walked up on the this 92 red Dodge, or 93, whatever year it is, it's pretty rough. It's been used and abused. I mean, you know, Charlie was probably the driver of this truck, and by the looks of his sweatshirt and his sweatpants, I'm sure this truck probably is about the same way. Yeah, she's a little banged up. Not bad underneath it.
I'm down there in Golden Valley. We were hauling steel, right? In the back of this. So she missed the damn fence and went through the chain link fence.
Oh, she did?
The trailer went sliding. She went sliding right through the fence. They had to cut the fence and get the truck out.
Oh. I don't know what he's talking about. Here, bend over. We're gonna find out if you got COVID. No, I'm getting ready to change a tire on a truck and drag it up on my trailer. So we're gonna pull this truck out of here so we have a good spot where we can jack it up, pull the wheel off it, and change the tire. It's just getting funner and funner by the minute. You ready to party? And you know, I've been around this stuff my whole life, and I'm thinking, okay, the Cummins block probably weighs 850 pounds. Tractor probably weighs 750 pounds. There's gonna be a problem. So on these tractors, you know, this is probably one that you could buy at like Walmart, right? So I knew that with the hydraulics on these things, they're not smooth, they jump. I knew there was gonna be a problem when we pulled that heavy engine block out of the back of that trailer. I bet that dude, his pants. He's gotta go change his pants right now.
Gotta go diesel. Gotta go diesel with everything. More power, better fuel economy, funner.
You know, I like the way Robbie thinks. You gotta go diesel.
There you go. Go in as far as you can go. Up the right, the right, up the right. This right here is better than women, I think. You know what I mean? They don't talk back.
You know, Robbie's stumbling with his words because his wife is probably watching this.
you build them, they'll run. Not long to build them now.
What did he say? It's pretty hard to work around these guys because they crack me up. It's just fun all day long. And now we've ran out of room to put this motor somewhere, so now we're trying to find a place for it.
When I was a kid, my brother was standing up from here to that truck, right? Hey, Timmy, where's my 9/16 wrench? And he had just picked him up out of the dirt, right? So, oh, I put it back in the box. Oh, you did? Whew, and he hucks. My brother's at a dead run. Pink hits him right inside the head.
The reason why my generation are hardworking people is because we got abused a little bit.
You have a truck in your yard like this.
I got a few, yeah. Fenders and doors are getting scarce.
Yeah. Charlie's a great guy, and I don't mind using my social media to try to get him a date. I mean, you know, there's a lot of women out there that like to have a great guy like Charlie. All you ladies out there, this guy right here, he's available.
He's single.
Yeah, I'm not married, by the way.
Yeah, he's available, so if there's anybody out there that's looking for a date,
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
He's a little rough, but he cleans up well.
He cleans up good. He's got a little sweatpants on.
Yeah.
You know, you
I've
see,
been working out, so
he's been working out too. So
yeah, I've been working out.
So listen, you guys are out this way. If you're heading towards Kingman anywhere, hit me up. I'll hook you up. Charlie's looking for a date.
Yep.
All right.
And no drugs, no alcohol.
No drugs and no alcohol. He's, you know, straight shooter. DarnellMatch.com. Hit me up. I'll hook you up with Charlie.
I got more, buddy.
Thanks, Robbie.
No
I
problem.
appreciate your help, dude.
Anytime you need anything.
That was cool. Yeah, I will. I'll get a hold of you guys. You know, all in all, it was a great day. There was a lot of cool stuff out here. I met some cool guys. We had a lot of fun. And guess what? I'm going to be back out here to see Charlie and Robbie. And remember, girls, Charlie's single and he's looking for something to mingle.